Mathias challenge him, one challenge in a hearing. I am the one that make him to bring out the dead people. Mathias show us more than 5 people that died in his NGO. Open is no here spiritual sickness. Ordinaka in India contribute to over 30 million. Why the Ogadaka die?
DNA said like Jenu na one vegetable. What a banko keep yasna megini. No,
speaking against Reverend Father Mbaka, people are supporting him. Mathias is mad that using Connie to make money. Mathias is not doing Omenala. Ojuwayo, Wayo.
One virgin abagonko kalinke Elijah. Now, Obo na one virgin name arrange miracle. But one virgin they will go pattern. Eji in the mother carry Elijah. And go through Elijah who can one virgin making illegal from none and see up and they post to one. Okay, for now, Mathias have ended up deceiving Umofeke Zion. When I say you pro Umofeke, Mathias no know that Unumera arrest is now saying a word, speaking against Reverend Father Mbaka. People are supporting him, using Connie to make money. Mathias is not doing Omenala. Ojuwayo, Wayo. I know Bre Mathias, I've been in the number of Hano Omenala, Hano Kite, Hano Ogu. Amapata said that's why Mathias is selling in Anambra State. Because I can't see reason why she Omenala Gana Ben Gama Omenala. Yeah, Mathias name Walker. Okay, Quincy. Yes. Now, Ndoka Wemi Bazena had a medibia. None more web. Let me tell you, only one night walking Keziago, in Kenya Madnando. Mother when you know. Mathias said there's nothing like occultic people. Eza Anaburu Margini Kobu or her court. Ndidi Benina and the jacket near Bumargini have all her court. Nothing like spirituality. You know, a man and I walk when I was long we can a Pharaoh city teacher. About saying nothing like spirituality. Nothing like spirituality. Why in a minute, even our forefathers, they hand out quickly. What is witchcraft? Witchcraft have been into existence. No traditional man will tell you that not like spirituality. Any traditional man, or man or whatever, said that nothing like spirituality is supposed to actually make any equal because now Ndoka West and Hollywood will promote Aaron and Igbo. Because you're not an Igbo man. Any Igbo man says not like spirituality. When you call Gwego, when you call spirituality, you're a fool. You're a fool. In the hospital today, if you like, make you go hospital. And when come working with kidney problem, and when you can take in a yoya, and when going on one family by Jirapa, and when going on one very sister, and when going with tumor. And someone an episode, they can test money up, and so you too need to pray. But then I want to also account of this reality I mentioned. If you don't have money to follow the due process, Pastor is so. Then Nigeria police court, you will be nowhere to be found. Mathias carry our brother to India or the Dhaka. He died, they hide it. Oh, more when you again challenging Mathias. Mathias challenging him, one challenge in a hearing. I am the one that make him to bring out the dead people. Mathias show us more than 5 people that died in his NGO. Open is no here spiritual sickness. Ordinaka in India contribute to over 30 million. Why the Ogadaka die? Go to Okurola page. Oh, when I 100 million, 50 million, they will still die. To prove to you, I've healed medical doctor from America, from UK, from Canada, from Germany that has spiritual attack. Some even came to Nigeria. So, every year teacher, Ndana men Hana walk it. The Hanian mother and Nigeria, Hanchap murderers and killers. If I can't say I want turn to Roman Catholic, you go pursue me. But this is doctrine I decided to follow, and this is doctrine of Israel. So stop beating around the bush. Each eye go. Each eye Pharaohs. Each eye coca. Each moment, but yeah, Mathias name Aburomenana. Go and sit down, all of you. That that is that woman. Hi, Kaya Buromenan. How many prayers can you Yoruba Pero men and a church na Igbo? How many prayers can you Yoruba Pero men and a church na Ghana? How many prayers can you Yoruba Pero men and a church na Enugu State? Show me one. Do you know tradition more than Yoruba people? Do you know more tradition more than other people? You're here because now you're chatting in a moment. Look at my eyes. Truth be told. Can you challenge it?
Go some other traditions in them. Go to Ghana. Ghana is more of spirituality. Can you remember Ghana pay church near boy Omenala? You do Omenala without power. You don't Bafa. You don't Fuzo. You don't Ziozi. You don't warrior. You don't nothing. You don't nonsense. No man so. The only reason we followed you because I go no mad. People are hungry. They are Lagos. They can't go. People are hungry. You put over rice. You see, okay, the girl that come here yesterday now, I gave them how much. They are 10, heavy behind me. So check when I bring out 1 million now to share. Now go. You know how many followers will follow me if I go to Ebony State, or I go to Ezeaku, or I go to Anambra State, or I go to Imo State, I go. Reason why I have been come at someone I go. Not that here in Akori. Yes, there's a place you're making point. People must work. Which Bible states that we should work for 6 days and use 1 day to serve God. And I'm against having church Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. First of all, speaking of those things, before Mathias begin to fight churches, I don't burn things of TB Joshua, Jeremiah, Buchiri, 2018. Which day start Omenala? Now me tell Mathias say, you know, even get where they gather, they do Omenala before you go open church. Now from my mouth to hear him, I will tell you as it is. It's not as say Mathias, you know, say don't the boast since. When I do hear me, no green bring out Mathias bring 50 million naira. Boy could I bring 50 million naira. No can sign them. 50 million naira. So but if I don't need them, you know, I'm not the video with this challenge. I am not one of those. I'm not doing gango. I don't need any Christian to help me and come in alone with my angels. If everybody can do it, I can do it. If the can do it, I can do it. If no pastor can do it, I can do it. So I have never had nonsense. I fasted and collected power. I am the man from Nazareth, a true prophet from Anambra State. The reach me without to appreciate it. I am one of the most genuine pastors in Nigeria. Bring down your pastor. Let us go to the street. Bring Ebuka Obi. I've done a miracle. I've done miracle in Nochanja. I've done miracle in Main Market. I've done miracle in Mbuka. I've done miracle in Obuete. I've done miracle in Ekoka. I've done miracle in Mandelas. I've done miracle in Ochodi. I've done miracle in Ladipo. I've done miracle in Araba International. All of them are on the street. Bring that to your native doctor. Here they have perform one. Mathias, come, I could give you people that have spiritual sickness. He can't try it. Put composition of 50 million. He will take the egg away. He will take the egg and man or sign. Or bring property that worth 100 million. Let us challenge. Can we say that spirituality? The Kapatan don't have spiritual sickness. People die. Millions of people die in the hospital. One of my sister now, she was sick. Diagnosed cancer. Cancer now. She was on coma. They called me. Those are people who don't believe in what I'm doing. How believe now when I tell you say Omenala. But what about her last year? When she was in the ICU, since I started ministry, she never come there. But when she about to die, they begin to call me. That time I was in Abura. I have to go there. Go to First Stack. When I went to the First Stack, I look at her. She's not talking. She don't even know that I came. I pray for this. I said, by this time tomorrow, she will be up. When I look at her, I saw it's a spiritual attack. Now, by this time tomorrow, in the evening, before 12 o'clock, they come and say she don't do okay. They need blood. They need blood. And I went and donate my blood. I told him and her husband they should stop. I no go come here to defend anything. She's in the mortuary. That is her own. You think you're smarter than God. When I went for pastor, after pastor save you, we go come they talk against pastor. I'm sorry for you. All of you that say there's no God, there's no power in pastor. The day you fall sickness, any pastor that pray for you, it will not work. Like he say, if you believe there's no power in God. You know, say why I keep calm because I know the Mathias and the what they call it and the million we load them, all those one I fought them, and the one that fought them, only Jesus and they can hit them. So they label me evil. That's why I left them, let Mathias war and Mathias push shame on them. Chibo cannot do common healing. Common healing is why we got Agwo in Alzheimer Mapata, they defend because they're not nonsense. Come on to do healing, he claim Jesus Christ, he cannot heal. Yes. He can do something you don't know, he can't defend.
They want anybody bomb by Igbo human being in Igbo land presently. nwere any power ọ ga-abụ ọwụsa na mmadụ zọọ ya ọkpa azabaza
like a chair.
ọ dịghọ.
If I will show you more than go to Ogo, you will see more than 1,000 people. They are all witches now. Friday, you run on 9th man. They got never at Ogo, Nenugu State. After Ezeaku, you got that one and way witchcraft. Not the mad. Not the mad. Not gonna support those nonsense. That's like witchcraft. Not like a new. Yes. See, let me tell you. That's the Dibai will also be there. On your evil days, you remember what I told you. You know that Omenala, Agwo. Yeah, Mathias is doing business. Mathias in April before. Mathias na Nofri. Mathias is doing church of Satan. That is not Omenala. My father is a kingmaker. Amoro Nime Paras. Even in Ibuku. My father is one of the most powerful men in Ibuku today. This is a family. So, I don't know I call him a carose. I don't know I call him a call. I don't know Amoro Nime spirituality.
Because of na China 419ers. Gineme Elijah Enugu we make reply one virgin. Now before I don't force on Tazan Junction. Na Nigeria direction Enugu. Before ndị man na chata boss on na Lagos.
Reason the born get with Mathias call what Chibo Nana, because those are people who does not stand on the truth. See Chibo, see Ononye, 11 Ononye. See all those useless Ijowa, Ezugo, Deer Park, Governor Ezogu and the James Agbo. Those are people that they face me in Piahechaka. Today, I'm here to tell you I have brought Zion Media Warrior team to nothing, which I told you people. So even if I don't do anything, know that I am the one. Because if I'm doing program now, Ndo to Ebuka Obi on my page. Hey, you're a native doctor. You're this one. You're this one. You're a Occultic man. Me and Ebuka who is a native doctor. A man who pray to cement Abo. And the man who pray to nation. Who is more rigid? Mbaka is jealous of Mathias. Mbaka is jealous of Ebuka Obi. Mbaka is jealous of Munson. Mbaka is jealous of David Yahweh. Mbaka is jealous of all of us. Okay, the Yahweh is jealous of Ebuka Obi. In the Allah. They carry Mathias now, they promote that because Mathias is somebody that is snake, is working with Satan. He have a logic. He praying on you people mind. That's why Mathias can mention my name. You know that I am thinking in 27th century. Mathias is your boss. How many times Mathias they call my name?